In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wrike integrations. To begin, open Wrike in your browser and sign in so you land in your workspace. With the workspace open, look to the left side of the screen for your profile icon. This is the small avatar that opens your personal and account menu. Click it to reveal the options you need. From that menu, select Apps and Integrations. This takes you to Wrike's Integrations Gallery, the hub where you connect Wrike with the other tools your team relies on. Right away, you'll see a recommended section. This area highlights popular options tailored to common workflows, making it a great place to start if you're not sure which tools will add the most value. Think of it as a curated shortlist that can quickly get you up and running. If you want a broader view, switch to all integrations to explore the complete catalog. This is useful when you already have a specific app in mind or you're comparing options. To refine that list, use the categories available in the gallery. Categories help you zero in on what you need without scrolling through everything. For instance, the artificial intelligence category groups tools that can assist with content generation, smart automation, or predictive insights. If your goal is reporting and measurement, the analytics category focuses on dashboards, data platforms, and business intelligence connectors that transform Wrike data into actionable visuals. And if teamwork is your priority, the collaboration category concentrates on messaging, meetings, file sharing, and other communication apps that keep your projects moving. When you spot an integration that fits your workflow, click on it to open its detail page. Here, take a moment to read the overview, scan the key features, and note any requirements such as plan limitations or admin permissions. It's also smart to review what data the integration will access and how the connection works, so expectations are clear for your team. When you're ready, click Enable. At this point, you may be prompted to authorize the connection, sign into the external tool, or grant Wrike permission to sync information. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. After enabling, look for a confirmation message and any quick start instructions that appear. Many integrations include a brief guide so you know where the new options will show up inside Wrike. That's it. By opening the Apps and Integrations gallery, exploring Recommended or All, using categories like Artificial Intelligence, Analytics, and Collaboration, then selecting the integration you need and clicking Enable, you can connect Wrike to the tools that power your day-to-day work.